Hello, this is Amber with WaveRez, and we're going to go over the different reservation statuses once you're inside of an order, as well as how to change those statuses. So when you first open an order, you're going to be presented with the overview screen. Once in here, you can change the status for the entire order by clicking on the status up here. Now, just to go over some of the different statuses, we have checked in. That usually just means they've arrived and checked in at the booth. No-show means they haven't showed up. You can just mark this for your records. Confirmed means the order was confirmed with you and them and it's ready to go. Unconfirmed could be an order that came in that you haven't yet confirmed availability for. Canceled, just a canceled order. If you select this, it's going to give you cancellation options like cancellation fees, reasoning, and a few other things. Late is just a status to show that the customer is late. Now you can change that status for the whole order right here, or you can also go into the trips tab, and if they have multiple different trips, this section right here will be replicated into another section for the additional trip. And you can change the status by trip individually by selecting it here and clicking Save Status. Now, there are a couple other options here as well, the paid and unpaid. If you notice, those are not on the other one. That's just another way to record where the order is in status.